Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smart buying decisions. In today's video, we will be comparing two drones that have caught our attention: the Bwine F7MINI Drones and the TENSSENX Foldable GPS Drone. We will be looking at various categories to determine which drone comes out on top. This comparison is based on online reviews and feature comparisons. So let's dive in. When it comes to drones, having a high-quality camera is crucial for capturing stunning aerial footage. The Bwine F7MINI drones come equipped with a 4K UHD camera. It offers a 90 degrees adjustable camera with a 130 degrees FOV lens, allowing you to capture epic wide-angle shots from up to 1,640 feet. On the other hand, the TENSSENX Foldable GPS Drone also boasts an ultra-clear 4K camera. Verdict: both drones offer impressive camera capabilities, but the Bwine F7MINI drones take the lead with its higher resolution and wider field of view. Flight time is another crucial factor to consider when choosing a drone. The Bwine F7MINI drones come with 2 batteries, providing you with up to 60 minutes of flight time. On the other hand, the TENSSENX Foldable GPS Drone comes with 3 batteries, offering an impressive 90 minutes of flight time. Verdict: with its longer flight time, the TENSSENX Foldable GPS Drone takes the lead in this category. Let's now talk about the additional features that these drones offer. The Bwine F7MINI drones come equipped with GPS Smart Fly capabilities. It can automatically return whenever the battery is low, the signal is lost, or with just a press of a button. It also offers intelligent functions like following you automatically, flying along a set path, and flying around a point in circles. Additionally, it has multi-sensors, air optical flow, and air pressure altitude control systems, making it beginner-friendly and stable for both indoor and outdoor flights. The TENSSENX Foldable GPS Drone also offers similar features, such as automatic takeoff, headless mode, altitude hold, and optical flow positioning. These features are designed to make flying easier, especially for novice drone pilots. It also has a powerful GPS module and extraordinary anti-interference capabilities, allowing for stable and reliable flights. Verdict: both drones offer a range of intelligent features, but the Bwine F7MINI drones stand out with its multi-sensor technology and beginner-friendly design. Based on online reviews, the Bwine F7MINI drones and the TENSSENX Foldable GPS Drone have received positive feedback from users. Here are some sentiments from the reviews. The Bwine F7MINI drones are praised for their high-resolution camera and wide field of view, making them ideal for capturing stunning aerial footage. Users also appreciate the multi-sensor technology and beginner-friendly design of these drones. On the other hand, the TENSSENX Foldable GPS Drone is highly regarded for its ultra-clear camera and longer flight time. Users find the user-friendly features and stability of this drone to be impressive. Overall, both drones have their strengths, and the choice ultimately depends on individual needs and preferences. And there you have it, our comparison of the Bwine F7MINI drones and the TENSSENX Foldable GPS Drone. Both drones have their strengths, but it ultimately comes down to your specific needs and preferences. If you prioritize a higher resolution camera and longer flight time, the Bwine F7MINI drones might be the better option for you. On the other hand, if user-friendly features and stability are your priorities, the TENSSENX Foldable GPS Drone could be the one to go for. Remember to do your own research and consider your budget before making a purchase. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more product comparisons on Buy Smart. Happy shopping!